Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
VideoPace or VideoPace Studio review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this launch called VideoPace Studio here. So this is an offer and you are right now on the preview sales page where it says turbocharge your videos and boost your earnings by instantly adding animations to your videos, and it works seamlessly with any video software without you needing to hire expensive animators or in-house team. We have made the process of creating animated videos a breeze even for complete newbies. Crush your competition and impress your viewers by creating pro animated scenes with our library. Select the animation that matches your requirements from the huge VideoPace animations library. Increase trust, sales, conversions, word captivating graphics. You will never need to pay for animation software again, and it works with all video editors without fail. No animator or expert video editor required to create high quality videos. Transform your videos with hundreds of transitions, animated scenes, infographics, and motion elements. Attract more traffic to your website and boost your rankings by using VideoPace effects. Okay, well, technically what you will be getting in this package is these things. So you will be getting 40 plus 3D virtual studio sets and all these which you can see on your screen right now. Okay, and they have only 2 otos, so we'll maybe talk about them. The price is going to be $25 to start with, and this is launching on 17th of March 2023. Okay, right. So if you are into this video making business, let's say you are a freelancer who sell the videos, promotional videos to clients on those websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, or freelancer.com, or you are going to use these videos for your YouTube videos, I guess, or maybe for your own promotional material. For example, you might use them in running Facebook ads or Instagram ads. Okay, so it's entirely up to you where will you use these videos. So when you go below my YouTube description here and expand it and find the link which says grab VideoPace Studio, copy here, click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page. And on the sales page, you will have enough samples and videos that what are you going to get. You can see some samples here, the vectors, and these are these are animated characters of men and women and male and female. What else do we have here? So you can see everything, and right now it's only a preview page. So on 17th, you will be on the live sales page, and by that time there will be more sample videos on this URL. So go below the video and check out the link, and again these are the same thing which we have seen here. This is what you will be getting. You can create unlimited videos, and then these many, again I will not read anything here. When you come to the page, check out everything in your own time, and the price will be $25. So what is VideoPace effects? Okay, well, this is 1800 plus remarkable animated scenes that captivate viewers in mere minutes. So why VideoPace effects is awesome? Professional animation, this and that. So you can read everything here. Can I sell the videos I make with this? Yes, you can. Does it work both on Mac PC? Yes. What's the refund policy? So they're saying we do not offer no questions. So they will give you a refund only if there's a problem, a technical problem, and if there's technical support cannot solve that for you. So technically, in my recommendation, there's no refund. Okay, so only buy this if you want this, otherwise don't buy. What is the license here? So you get unlimited license to use on your projects and unlimited on your clients' projects, and you cannot resell this. Is there any limit to the number of videos that I can make with this builder? No limit, right? So we are all clear. What you have to do is come on this page, come on the sales page. You will find the link below my YouTube video. Check out all the sample videos and all the samples on the sales page in your free time. And then grab this VideoPace Studio, whatever the name is, and this will cost you $25. But there are some otos here as well. So let's see what you will be getting in those otos. So OTO 1 is this, OTO 2 is this. Doesn't say much here that what are you going to get inside those otos. So when you buy the front end, then you will be taken to these upsell 1 and upsell 2. You can check out the relevant features on those things, and you can upgrade if you want to. Okay. So not many OTOs, only 2. And let's get back here. Now this is for people who are interested in doing something with their videos. You are into video editing, you're a freelancer, or you're some digital marketing agency, or you handle some clients, you make videos for other clients and you charge them some money. So if you know what you're doing, go and get this and enhance your video experience, okay? But if you're a newbie only, as a newbie, your first task is to create normal videos, simple videos like me, before you think about even editing or going to a next level, right? For example, when you are watching my YouTube review, in this video, you have not seen any fancy things. All you are watching right now is my laptop screen, which I'm recording with the software, and you're listening to my voice, and my video is done, my review is done, okay? So I'm not using any complex things in video editing as of now, and still I'm making money. So if your end goal is only to make money on the internet, with basic videos, then you can go below my YouTube video right now and check out the second link which says make money with Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube in multiple ways. First method is to make money on YouTube by these ads. So when you are watching my YouTube video, you must have seen some advertisements. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, or whether I sell you something or not. So if you don't buy this VideoPace Studio from me, I will still make some money because you have seen those ads, and that happens only if your YouTube channel is monetized, okay? So when you watch these videos, YouTube pays me some money, little money, not much, but I do make money without even getting sales, right? So if you want to make money on YouTube without even selling anything, or you want to get your YouTube channel monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for that. And this Traffic Jarvis will help you to get those things in 2 weeks only, and then your channel will be monetized within a month. And then you can make videos, make money without even selling anything, or you can make these affiliate reviews, you can do affiliate marketing, you can grow your email list. There is so much you can do on YouTube for free, okay? So if you want to do exactly what I do, then go and check out Traffic Jarvis. And there is one more cool way to make money here. It says make money on autopilot with Forex trading, okay? I mean, you will not know what Forex trading means in detail, but roughly it's currency trading. For example, there are currencies in the world such as Euro, USD, GBP, USD, and many more, right? So when one currency goes up, other currency goes down. What we do is we buy low, sell high, stuff like that. So if you look at the screen here, this is the graph, and buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. It keeps going, it keeps happening. But we can't do this manually because we wouldn't be always available, okay? So what we do is we have a software and we give the correct settings to that software, and that software does the trading on our behalf automatically, okay? So what you need to do is come below the video, click on the first link, come onto this page here, enter your email address, enter your name, click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are 2 options, option 1, option 2. Watch those videos very, very carefully. And once you have seen those videos, then you will know what are you going to do with the system, okay? And this is going to make you money literally on autopilot without you having to do anything, because this will be a profit sharing business in which you will be keeping 70% profits and I will be keeping 30% for doing all this on your behalf. So you do not have to go through any training or know anything. I will be setting up this virtual machine, I will be setting up the graph, I will be setting up the software, and then you will only collect your profits weekly. 70% profits weekly yours, 30% mine. If you want to know more details, you will have to get into this and watch those videos I'm talking about. Then only you can decide what you want to do, right? If you would have any questions after watching those videos, you can contact me on Skype here and then decide what you want to do. Again, this Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make YouTube videos. The difference between these 2 links is that the first option is completely on autopilot, in which you don't have to do anything. In Traffic Jarvis, you have to do work on YouTube. A lot of manual work will be required, okay? If you want to get VideoPace Studio, go and grab it from a link below in the description here. And subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. If you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. Subscribe is free, like is free, definitely do that. If you want to make money online, check out these links here, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing, option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending one email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future, it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay. All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for the rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.